stuffed French toast. We're going to take any day-old or stale bread. I have beautiful, eggy, buttery brioche bread here. I'm just going to take creme fraiche, or you can use sour cream, or you can use Greek yogurt, 3 things that you might already have on hand in the fridge. And we're going to add a lot of flavor to it by adding in some grainy or traditional Dijon mustard. So it's sweet and savory and tangy and spicy all at the same time. And this is gonna replace the bechamel on a croque monsieur, croque madame. For the cheese, I always have a chunk of Gruyere in the fridge, but you could use Swiss or cheddar. This is Gruyere, just got it shredded up. Any mild cooked ham will do. This is a French-style ham, thinly sliced, or you can use prosciutto cotto, or just regular old cooked or baked ham. For the eggs, we're gonna poke the yolks and make a quick custard base, because we're turning this basically into sweet and savory French toast. So a sprinkle of sugar, I like super fine sugar, it dissolves very easily. A sprinkle of salt, some whole milk or half and half or cream, whatever you have in the fridge. John likes half and half, so that's what I'm using. Skip the pepper here. We want a little sweet and a little salty. I add a little hint of nutmeg. If you have it in your spice pantry, fine, it's delicious without it. It's not a deal breaker. When I'm coating sandwiches like this, I actually find that a small baking sheet really does the trick. I've cut the crust and I cut them corner to corner. Some of them I've just left straight up whole, depends on the size and shape you want to serve for your stuffed French toast. Then we're going to layer in a little of our cheese, working on one side at a time here. On top of the cheese, we're going to layer in our mild cooked ham of choice. This is a lovely French-style ham. In other words, it's just sweet. It's not very smoky in flavor. It just tastes salty and yummy. You know, if ham ain't your thing, go ahead, use turkey. I can't see you. Okay. Now, I've got the glue, or what replaced our bechamel sauce, our creme fraiche, or sour cream, or Greek yogurt, one of the 3 you probably have on hand. And we mixed in the grainy Dijon mustard. I've got that slathered on both sides. So I'm gonna double do the cheese up on top of the ham, so you get the same glue on both sides. Give it a little cheesy love up and down, okay? Then you stack them suckers together. And I love cutting the crust off in this and going corner to corner, because you get really nice egg coverage going into our sweet and salty custard. You use your melted butter with your butter brush and get that sucker cooking over medium heat. Yeah. Here's the giant size stuffed French toast with our special sauce, the ham and the cheese, all right? Here's the ones that I do so they come out extra gooey. I give it some side time and on both sides. This is French toast slathered with creme fraiche and mustard, filled with Gruyere and ham. Then, if you're a sweet person, you heat up some raspberry or apricot jam. If you're a savory person, you heat up some onion jam, and then you get your jam on it. Woo-hoo-hoo!